Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change like word per word color like on your subtitles. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in "You're so gorgeous" just to make the video shorter for you guys. And then you can also change the font here. Okay, you're going to copy and paste it 3 times because there's 3 words here. So copy and paste, copy, paste. Then you're going to adjust it so it's like that kind of. Don't know really how to explain it, but you're just going to just like that. And then on the first one, you're going to select any color that you want, maybe like this purple one. And then select the last 2 and have it like the same color as your background. And then on the second one, select everything and change it to another color, and then only select the last one and change it to again the same color as the background. And lastly, we have this one. Oh, actually if you want like the same color like I need to redo this, my bad. Just copy and paste it later on, so that the "your" is the same color. And then select the "so" part, and then you can change the color to whatever you want. And then you will copy and paste that. And then you will select the "gorgeous" part and select another color for it. And you'll have this word per word in different colors. It is very tedious, but it's the only way, I guess, so far. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!